kanyang eye for talents. Walang iba kundi si Mr. Johnny Manahan.
Dito na lang ako sa baba. I wanted to say so many things pero inunahan ako ng Ricky eh. Mr. Vargas, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the support. And Guido, thank you. Nico, hindi ka dito. Ano ka ba? Star Wars. T-shirt model, T-shirt model. The great Enrico Santos. Isang haligi ng ano? Actually, haligi ng maraming channel yan eh. But now he's with TV5 and we thank him so much.
Thank you, Mr. M, for doing your magic again. We did it before many times, and now in another place.
Star Magic?
Yeah, well,
We did it with Star Magic.
so many shows. We started with, ano ba, isang linggo na po sila.
Oh my God.
Pinapanganak yung ibang vloggers. But thank you, Sir Ricky, Guido, and thanks to TV5 and Ninja Quest because we have another chance to strike gold with your talents. Nagulat ako, Mr. Emma, from the auditions, from the gusgusin stage, medyo makintab stage na siya. So, thanks to you. Looking forward. Thanks to Ray and Carlos, of course. I keep looking at him because siya nagtuturo sa atin magpa-galing ng skill.
Direct Ryan. Tayo ka. Direct Ryan Carlos.
Ayan, si Direk Ryan.
Nang babatok ng hindi magaling umarte.
Si Direct Ryan, kasama namin yan. God, 30. Ayun sabihin 30 years. Pero parang ganun nga. Galing pa yan Star Magic.
Upo na, Mr. Emma.
Oh. Galing pa yan ng John 7, di ba? Di ba? Umikot na tayo, no? Yeah, yun ang gusto ko sabihin eh. Actually, nag-uusap na kami ni Mr. Pangilinan noon pa, maybe 5 years ago. And umikot pa ako muna sa mga ibang channel. Bumabaybay ako doon. And we found ourselves. Together. And I'm so happy because I feel so comfortable here at TV5. And many old faces here. Like Gilmer, one of the finest creative people I know. And salamat sa iyo. Siya yung mga magbebenta ng mga programa namin. Ano, pwede na sa Broadway?
Pwede, Mr. M.
Okay. Soon. Coming soon. Yeah. So, I wish to acknowledge the presence of Our Lady, Ms. Aiko.
I am happy, Mr. M. I'm happy to be here for my daughter.
She has a daughter. Yeah. Sabi na nga lahat ang gusto ko sabihin. Papasalamat rin ako sa mga co-managers na andyan. Sila, saan ba kayo?
Sina Tyron.
Attorney James, yeah. And Tyron, where's Tyron? Anyway, sila po ang mga co-managers. They entrusted some of their artists to our training and our promotions. And, ikaw nga, Abby, halika rito. Si Abby kanina pa yan umiiyak eh. Halika. The great Abby Niesta. Yeah.
Ayan, head ng recruitment ng mga artists.
Ang sinasabi nila ako, Mr. N, star maker, Mr. N, mga ganito, ganyan. Actually, nakatayo ako sa mga balikat nila.
Yeah.
Abby Niesta. Kaysa Oh, mag-song and dance ka.
Mr. M. Hi po, I'm Abby Niesta. Hi. Boys at Cornerstone here's Dero, Mac Merla, Linda.
Ah, yeah. Okay, hi. Hi there. Yeah, hi.
Ayun.
Wala si ano, boss.
Wala si Erickson.
ALBC, Arnold, where
Uy,
are you?
Arnold is
Sorry.
here?
Yeah,
Asan si Arnold?
Arnold.
Asan ang
Nag-picture pa kami kanina.
Umalis na?
Empire is also
Empire is also here.
Empire po, Mercator, Mau,
Mercator.
where are you?
So these are all of these are our partners in making.
And a lot more. Marami pa, sorry. Hindi ko makita lahat. A lot more. Viso there. Stellar Talent Circuit. Who else? Cams, Kate Angela there, over there. Ayan, of course. And a lot more. Sorry, hindi ko makita lahat. Ayan, marami pa.
Hi, Kate.
Salamat po. Thank you for the trust.
The great Kate Dolino. Yeah,
Kate,
thank you.
nandito din.
Sige. Malis ka.
Umalis na.
Si Abby yan ang nag-ano eh.
Re-recruit, Mr. M.
Siya yung nag-hostess sa mga ano namin. Sa mga events na. Yeah. So anyway, it takes a lot of people actually to create artist work, make stars. And a lot of people working. Ako lang nakaharap sa harap. Of course, you work, you do the work, and then katulad sinasabi ko noon, the magic happens. Oo. Magiging stars na yan. You do the work with a little bit of luck and help from these people. They can become stars. Okay? So, yun lang.
Ayan. Mr. M, some of the press people would like to ask you questions.
Parang hindi nga Sam, parang ang dami pala nila,
Ang
Mr.
dami.
M.
Actually, marami talagang gustong magtanong kay Mr. M. Umpisa na natin kay Mr. Nestor Cuartero. Sir Nestor?
Where's Nestor?
Nestor is here. There he is. Ayan, meron ba tayong mic? May floor mic?
Nice to see you. So many years.
Nestor, ayaw kang banggitin ko, ilang taon eh.
Long time ago.
Yeah, oh my God.
Okay,
Thank you.
your question?
Okay. Sige, Nestor.
Hi. Well, it's good to see you after all these years. My question is, what is your vision for Star Works in relation to TV5?
Vision, it's to build an organization, much like the other organizations that we have come up with over the years. Make it a professional organization. That's a dream, actually. It's a dream that we have had for many years. And that's what we hope to do here in TV5. Hopefully, well, we build up to a core of artists that can provide TV5 a set of their own actors and actresses. And yeah, who knows? Maybe, you know, we go, they acquire the veneer and the sheen of really good stars, maybe superstars. Who knows? Yun, yung parang ang vision na. At least yung vision ko.
Yeah. Thank you. They say that, well, with social media and all its platforms, creating and launching stars on their own in different platforms, how relevant is launching stars in the traditional television media?
Yeah. I still believe in TV as a medium of entertainment and of creating stars. the challenge now is to even accommodate and share the process of finding people that excite the imagination of people everywhere. Ang mga sa social media, they have their own platforms, they can do it by themselves. But I would call what they do mga short form, very short things. Sabi nga ni Andy Warhol, di ba, in the future, everybody will be famous for 15 seconds. So, ganun na nangyayari ngayon. 15 seconds. But TV, we hope to do traditional dramas, comedies, but maybe in a new way, in new ways, so that we don't bore the audience. But months ago, my daughter said that her kids were watching Buko Channel, yung mga comedy namin, Richard Gomez, mga batuhan ng tubig sa ending. Gusto nila yun somehow, saka yung mga Panchito Dolphy, hanggang doon. So, baka nga may resurgence of ganun that sense of comedy and maybe of drama. I still think we can contribute to the larger audience.
Yeah, and I think TV and mainstream media, for that matter, renders a sense of legitimacy to artists. No? One final question. Why did you leave GMA7?
Tito Nestor, ha?
Yeah, well, I had a contract with Seven for 3 years. 3 years. No? So I was there for 3 years. And yeah, for the most part, they treated me very well. I got along with Jimmy Duave and si Mr. Yalom. Yeah, some of the executives there. Of course, Attorney Gozo. And but after 3 years, they probably thought, and with very good reason, that they could handle things. They just wanted to find out if I could teach them something or deliver something already in addition to what they had there. And siguro tapos na yan.
Okay.
And even with me, sabi ko tapos na yan.
Ayan, tapos na.
Sana
Okay.
tinanong.
Okay na yun, Mr. M. Next question.
Hindi mo tinanong, why did I leave the other channel?
Mr. M, wala. Wala, Mr. M. Next
So, Bobby
question.
Regentina.
Next question from
Hello,
Tito
sir.
Bobby.
Hi, Mr. M. Magandang hapon po. Sir,
Hi. Yeah, go ahead.
works. And my question is, what are the major factors or considerations in choosing the 16 stars under this Starworks,
Yeah.
under Black One?
Oh,
Thank you po.
When we choose people, siyempre yung X Factor, hindi mawawala yun Yun ang it, the X Factor, I don't know what it is. Pero andon, and I'm sure kayo rin, alam niyo yan pag makita ninyo X Factor. You for a girlfriend may X Factor yun. Unless ko-collect mo lang, tapos may range na lang yun. But yun, parang X Factor. And then youth. Because we want them to grow with us. so we can grow together over a span of years, 5, 10 years. Dati ganun, sila Piolo, John Lloyd, Bea Alonso, we grew up together, actually, 20, 30 years. So ngayon, kakasal na si Bea, si Lloydie, hinahanap pa namin si Lloydie. Lloydie, where are you?
Okay?
Si
Thank you.
Piolo, pogi pa rin yun.
Yun.
Okay.
Okay.
Saka Papa P pa yun. Up to now.
Yes. Next question from Lea Salterio. Ay, tatabihan namin kayo, Mr. M.
Yeah, si Lea.
Good
Hi.
afternoon. What do you think is the difference between the aspiring artists then and now with the coming of with the onslaught of the social media now? The difference of the artists then and now.
The difference?
Yes.
Tanong natin kay Aiko. Yeah. I think basically, parehas lang. Parehas. But,
Even with the
oh,
but social media.
I think with
yes.
social media,
Yes.
mas merong, gigil. Yeah, kasi kailangan, nakikipag, sila sa social media.
Interact.
So, kailangan gigil. They want to get on camera right away, but there's a process, it takes time. Social media depends on your, yung authenticity mo eh. Tawag nila ng authenticity. So, kahit wala ka talagang, what we call, appeal. Ibang klaseng appeal naman nun sa social media. You create your own appeal. And people like that, Minsan ayaw nila yung pogi, ayaw nila yung maganda.
Really?
I think so. Yeah. But a lot of very pretty, very handsome people are on social media. And when they go on and do their own thing, alam nila kung anong gagawin eh. So, hindi na tinuturo. This whole generation of people who young people, my grandchildren, they grew up with the media. Imbes na lapis, iPad, camera, ang galing nila lahat. Mas magaling po sila umedit sa mga
We're teenagers na, your grandchildren, right?
yeah, my grandchildren are teenagers and they know everything. If I wish I knew what they knew when I was a teenager. Iba sila. So it's a challenge. It's a challenge for the young people now in regular entertainment in mainstream.
Additional question, Mr. M. One last. The artists that you launched today, introduced today, will they be given individual projects or as a group, or what are the plans for them?
Yeah, some of them will be given
Thank you.
individual roles,
All right.
but we already have a couple of
Projects.
shows
Shows.
ready for maybe most of them. Parang teen horror
Series.
horror drama.
Alright.
Saka na lang ko i-reveal yung title. But ayun si Enrico. Enrico, yung script. Meron na yan.
Thanks, Mr.
Meron na
M.
yan. Some of them are earmarked already for individual shows.
All right. Thank you.
Next question from
Kate Adahar from Random Republica.
Ayan, si Kate.
Hi, good
Hi,
afternoon,
Kate.
Mr. M. Over the years, has anything changed in your criteria in looking for a star?
I think same criteria. basically, I think, hasn't changed. The outward appearance lang, nagpapalit. But basically, human beings, parang same, same. But we always look for, their willingness to work, their enthusiasm, the youth. Pagbata yan, and they, their youthful vigor, enthusiasm, that counts a lot, but halos parehas yun.
And speaking of work, can you think of an example of work made the star?
Work makes the star. Mr. Ryan Carlos, work makes the stars. Okay. Ano yun? Ano yung work niya?
At most importance kay Mr. M yung discipline. And non-negotiable sa amin ni Mr. M yung kailangan bago sila ilagay sa shows. Number one sa amin yung ethics for actors. So I think yun yung meaning ng work makes stars. Kasi yung disiplina muna, which is yun yung hindi nawawala doon sa pagpili ni Mr. M. Go kagad sa training, as simple as sa training namin, if you're 1 minute late in my class, you're out of the room. But wait to be seated. Ang biro ko nga kay Mr. M, the only person who can let you in the class is Mr. M. Pero kapag pinapasok ka ni Mr. M at late, magre-resign ako. Pero biro lang. Pero yun ang number one ni Mr. M. Priority niya is, sa training is no latecomers and attendance.
Sample lang yun. Marami yun eh.
Thank you, thank you.
Next up, we have Nazabel Tabanes.
Hi, Mr. Other Asian countries like South Korea and Thailand are going global na po for their artists. May kasama rin po ba sa plans natin yung going global, and ano po yung mga plans niyo?
Next week, mag-global na kami. Ready na kami, actually, to go global. Pero ano yun eh, yung ganong klaseng pag-go global. Kailangan yun eh, total yun eh, di ba? Kami ready na kami, mga artista, entertainment. Pero yung financial, yung state ng gobyerno, di ba? Marami yan eh. Nagiging critical mass yan, may pera. Maganda yung economy, maganda yung business. So, tulad sabi ni Mr. Vargas, the tide lifts all the boats. Diba? So, inihintay namin yun sa mga ibang tao. Kami ready kami. Ready kami. Tulad ng Korea, di ba? That wouldn't have happened. Yung K-pop, hindi mangyayari yun kung yung ekonomiya nila na walang kwenta. Di ba? So, ganun din yung nangyari with Japan before. Economy first, and then everything else after. Sabay-sabay yan, naging critical mass. Soft power ng bansa, yung mga kanta, yung mga pelikula, yung mga katha, ng mga mga geniuses katulad ni Mr. Enrico Santos, si Gilmer, yan. Mga katang iisip ko, shy. Pero yun, critical mass, naging critical mass yun. Tapos sasabog na lang yun.
Thank you.
Okay, last question. We'll take it from Mr. Alwin Ignacio for Mr. M. Alwin.
Hi, sir. Question. What is it about show business that makes you continue and strive and give your best?
Yun ang hinihintay ko eh. Kasi nasabi na ng iba eh, Pero na lang yun, why, how come I keep going?
Yes.
Yung mga artista dyan, yan, katulad yung mga artista dyan, it's the youth, you know? Kung sasama ako dito kay Dino, okay lang sa akin, pero yung photo, hindi ba, ganun. Pero kung kasama ko dito, ayan, kaganda nila, diba? They're so youthful and so, so good looking. Diyan na lang ako. Yeah. Ang ginagawa ko actually political science, architecture, art history. But aksidente actually, yung nahulog na lang ako sa industriya. I don't know, some of you know, my mother used to be in the business. So, nung sa pagkatapos ng college, andito ako, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Doon muna ako sa show. She had a talk show. And, sabi ko, pwede ba ako pumunta sa booth? Sabi, nasa ako sa booth. Sino mga director ng... Oh God. Anyway, sila Nestor Torre yun. Even before Nestor, yung...
Joey Lardizaban.
Joey. Alam niya. Alam niya. Kabatsa. Yeah, anyway, so pagpunta ko sa booth, after I got interested, and I said, sige, can I hang out in ABS? Tapos, umikot ako lahat ng shows. Comedy, drama. Kita ko sila, Mang Dolphy, si Mang Nano. Ganun ka, no? Oh my God, Mang Nano. Tapos dito pa. Mang Nano, yun ngayon. And mga director, Al Quinn, Joey, sorry. Iisip ko yung mga director na yun.
Mitos.
Mga Ding.
Mitos.
My
Al Quinn.
first mentor, Mitos Villarreal. Yeah. And si Al, ang dami mong ginaya. Galing kay Al Quinn. But I said, kaya ko yan Kaya ko yung ginagawa nila eh. And hindi lang kaya, I enjoyed being there. So, pupunta ako doon, walang biro, 9 in the morning, hanggang 12 at night. So, umiikot ako. Paikot-ikot lang, doing all sorts of jobs. Anyway, that's what keeps me, in the business. That's entertainment. Yung buong industriya. Yeah. Nothing like it. Yung mga politiko, gusto nila sana magwapo sila pero ang pangit nila. Diba? Akala nila may mga utak sila, may mga utak rin kami, pero mas maganda at mas pogi kami kaysa sa kanila.
Thank you. And with that, we'd like to thank the press for their questions kay Mr. M.
Because
Because right now, I'm sure the press would also like to meet our Block 1.